Then drop it back. They're right there, dude.
They're thick right under the ceiling.
Yeah. Baby.
Here we go.
Oh,
there it goes, there it goes. There you go.
You're right on the tip, Parker. Keep going though. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Keep going. Tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, click it into gear.
Hang on.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're tight.
Yeah. Woo!
Get it?
Woohoo! Back up a little more. Okay, you just get that tight and you end up pushing out of the way. Clip on!
All right, another flyer.
Yeah, just start getting ready.
Okay.
Yeah! That was a big blow up,
Dude. That was so sick. Alright, you want another? Are you ready? Yeah.
Burn out?
Yeah, hang on.
You're good.
Are you in one or two?
Oh, is the wood pulling on?
Okay.
Go.
The what? Got it?
I'm gonna get another marker.
Yep.
Ground already?
Finally.
Randall.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm ready to go. Grab the handle. Go. Reel.
You're okay.
No, don't put it on yet.
Oh,
I was just changing the rubber band. Let me know when that fish gets up and down, guys.
All right.
Marker here, I'll bring the
Switch.
flyer.
Go for it, Scott. Rifle.
Is that like a work? Is it like an arm workout?
arm and hip sound.
Oh, okay, that's right. Just keep turning the handle. All right.
Even though it's not bringing it.
Yep, it's okay.
Burn it.
Just keep, like right now you're gaining line.
Pressure on them.
Just keeping pressure. The fish is still way out there.
You mean orange is at the end?
No.
Oh.
Not the ocean.
Sure wants to plug your throwing arm.
Yeah, like how many, like what's the most
good?
times you've had
Did
to?
you switch out?
Well, at least I wound for a purpose this time.
Yeah.
Sometimes you wind and it's like not there. You're like, oh shit.
Alright, somebody get ready.
All right. Switch. Don't hit that drag lever.
Whoa.
Don't. Let go of the handle. Just let go. Watch that. There you go. No, watch that.
Is that rod all the way down and up?
Depending on which way the fish wants to go, we might have to go to the other side.
Turn the engines up.
Hey, can I get a few reels on this so I can take a picture with
Really good. Another hand on there.
You ready?
it? I know, but I never catch the big fish. So
Well, get ready to turn. Get ready to
Are you
turn.
ready to do it?
Turn it down. Go, Scott.
Jump in.
Jump in. Just don't.
Come behind me.
Watch that thumb.
Get in there.
Watch that thumb. Okay, turn the handle.
Turn.
There you go. Let go of that reel. Yep, just keep winding.
Wind, don't hit that.
Andrew, is that them over there? Okay.
You tiring out? Okay.
Swirled on it again. Oh! Come on, stick!
You jumping at it? Yeah, oh, look at that.
Come on, stick, baby, stick.
I got it.
That's it.
Just a little bit more. All right. We're nowhere close to Tuna, right?
Two right now. Yeah.
All right, somebody get ready.
All right, it's my turn.
Go.
Wow, we've seen a lot of colors on this reel.
Do they need help on the front? I know, I'm not. Next up. Push. Hey, look at the angle though, watch for color.
Oh no!
It is. It is.
Reel, 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 reel. Okay, move it to the side.
There's the pole.
Yeah. Yeah, get that. Yeah, get that. From this rod holder. Okay, it's still far enough. Soon. Okay, crank it out of the rod holder. Yeah. Under your left armpit, under your left armpit. There you go, hand right here. There you go, perfect.
Good.
Yeah. Try to point the rod tip that way. Yeah, control your body. Yep, just like that.
Up and down.
It's gonna do a really big circle.
Hips bent over, you're not going to get much crank.
You're going to come into the back though really quick. Oh shit, you moved up. Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, just comes up, you crank. Over there.
Yeah, not right now. Just get out of the way.
That all
Put it up top, Parker.
Andrew,
Yo.
is that all it's going to go where the flag is?
Oh, it's coming around the back. Come on, back.
Hold it up there.
Yeah, go forward a little bit.
Parker, it's coming around back.
Just leave him, help him. Like that.
Yeah.
It's going under the boat.
Okay, watch out, guys. Take out the rod holder. Right to the right. Okay, don't do that. We're good now. Bring that pipe over here. You're good. You guys are good.
Good?
Yeah, sorry, let me see it for a second. I got it. I got it. Which way is it going, Parker?
Straight down.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I'm getting crushed right now. Oh, I'm getting crushed. Listen to the drag.
Just really slightly.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. Dude, that thing just pinned into the boat.
Okay. Get the guy to choke.
It's doing big circles right now. Okay, can you take over this?
Got it? Got 50 feet down.
That fish is right there.
Good. This one's right here.
Okay.
Have this. Stand by.
If it goes under the boat, I need you to put that rod tip way down there. Point that rod tip that
Take
way.
it out. Let's work it.
That rod tip
Over
that
here
way.
towards the bow.
Down, down, towards the water.
Up here. Towards the water. Down towards the water.
Down towards the water.
Rod towards the water.
Hold this. Let me take over.
Was that taller than that?
No. Yeah, it's close.
Oh, yeah.
Can I kill this thing?
Go kill it.
All right. You're up. Okay, reel. Just reel. Just reel. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Lift.
Beautiful.
Got it.
Second.
Whoa.
I got a good shot.
All right, let's get over.
Got
1,
him.
2, 3.
Oh,
Nice job, Cliff.
nice.
Woo!
You got that one like by yourself, dude. You're all worn out.
Parker helped me quite a bit.
Parker. Wow.
Dude, that thing had me into the boat.
I mean, take the other side. All right, got one on the boat, guys. Nothing back. That second gear, you just have to make sure you get it tight.
Oh, baby.
Alright, I'm gonna get better down.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, put free spool.
Watch this cover with you. You're on. You're stuck. Okay. Nobody back here, please.
Wait, hang on.
We can just get this.
Cliff,
What?
you pull the fish that way, just
Yeah.
from the tail. Okay, good. That's good.
You can hug it. You're just big. Woo!
Oh, good job, everyone.
Nice.
Killed fish. Killed fish. Killed fish.
0 to 100 real quick there.
There we go.
Let's get back in the water. I'll
Yeah.
keep going.
We have to fix this kite rod and then we'll do that. Oh.
He's gonna hold it.
Yeah. See how easy that hook came out? As if you lose tension, it comes out super easy. Whew.
This fatty, on the other hand, decided he wanted to choke it. Choke it.
Yeah, the reason we don't do that earlier is just because if it charges the boat, it's really hard to use tight.
So it's like basically it's a low gear right when they're at the surface.
Yeah.
Got it.
Just want to get it. So.
If you can't, wait till we go and gut it if you need to.
It's right there. It's just, it's the teeth are what's going to get me.
Maybe like a piece of 2x4. Okay, it's a rag. There you go. Got it.
Woo, baby.
Good job, guys.
Flame fire. Woo. All right.
Let's get these gaps out.
Get up the water.
I get this one too. Yeah. Not deep. It's like a shallow. Right. Yeah. Right there. That might have been too deep. Go sideways on it.
Like this?
Sideways. I can keep that picture. Get ready. It's alright. Let's
Okay.
get the kills.
One of them was bleeding like crazy. There we go.
Alright, I need to flip the fish over to get this gap out.
Oh my goodness.
Hit the bait like 5 times before it actually got it.
So Al, the one on the bow, just messing with you?
Dude, it went 4 times, missed, and then the 5th time finally got it.
You wanted it badly.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have the water.
Work on this.
Now, Scott, come on.
Well, bad.
Now we're gonna survive the winter.
We're gonna survive the winter regardless.
That's a big friggin' tuna.
Yeah. That's all it takes, baby, is one school. One school. Change your day. So much wind. All right.
How old are these?
I'd say within 4 or 5 years, actually. About 4 or 5 years. Yeah. Very fast-growing fish compared to a lot of others.
So you just bleed it instead of bonking it? Or does it not do it?
Preferably, I would bonk it. I want to just fuck.
Scissors?
Yeah, I'm bringing them.
Danger going there.
How's cranking on your first tuna? How's cranking on your first tuna?
That was good.
You can eat the heart now. It's really soft. You don't have to open your mouth that wide.
That's much bigger.
Back in business, baby. That rubber band
It just wouldn't go
was supposed to break.
Yeah.
Didn't break.
Did it just stretch all the way down?
Yeah, that's why all the line got tangled up. I had to splice it.
So
Alright.
you said he hit it 5 times. Is it normally like a once?
might have
or
not
twice
have
at a
been the
time
same
type
fish.
thing, or-
Yeah, so we got lucky that didn't mess up the flyer those 4 times that it missed.
Okay. All right. Raw water, please.
Use the fresh because for the bucket, because raw water is not.
Okay.
That bucket?
Come on.
Anything in the bucket?